Have a seat.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 7.
Hearing matter.
Yes, hearing matter item number 7. My senior have difficulty to take. Can you leave the matter after 2 weeks?
After 2 weeks. Council prays for adjournment of the matter on the ground of difficulty of leading counsel. Released after 2 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
Anything else?
For motion, item number 13 from the supplementary course list.
Mr. Lordship. Lordship,
Bail petition, right?
Lordship, leading counsel for the petitioner is making submission before the TP. So I pray that let the matter will go after some time, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 1.
May I please, my lord? My lord, order has been completed, so your lordship may close the matter.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a 22 matter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you'd like to submit?
No, Your Lordship, it's already being complied with, my lord.
COP 8 of 22.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 1, and V. Shokre, additional AG, is appearing for respondent number 2 to 5.
Okay.
If our names can be reflected in the order, my lord.
Yes. Kindly release. Is appearing for respondent number 1 and additional AG. Super. Appearing for respondent number 2 to 5. The learned petitioner counsel. Your good name, please, sir.
Elikas Changda, my lord.
Submits that in the meantime, the concern order, can you help me with the date, dated so and so?
25/11/2021, my lord.
25
11/2021.
21,
Yes.
passed by this court in WPC number. I'll find it. That will be make the order a little.
My lord, that's why 5 writ petitions, my lord. Yes, yes, ma'am.
So and so. Huh? It will be there in the this thing. I'll help you. Has been complied with. Full stop. In the aforesaid facts and circumstances, the instant contempt petition stands closed and disposed of on the aforesaid terms.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
For admission, item number 2.
May I please, Your Lordship? Am I hearing? May I please, Your Lordship? This,
The leading counsel is appearing through PC, and the local counsel.
Okay.
Lordship.
Local counsel.
If I may, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here the petitioner is praying for quashing of an FIR. The matter has already been charged sheeted. So remedy will be available before the lower court. If the and on that ground, Your Lordship, since there is a prima facie case exists, this matter deserves to be rejected.
Lordship, my humble submission is there. The
Yeah.
respondent number 2 filed one FIR on 16/8/2014 in the Dimapur East Police Station. Lordship, the case arises out from I have taken loan from respondent number 2 in the year 2021. Lordship.
Okay.
And there was a Lordship may turn to page number 4 or page number 24, annexer 4. Lordship.
Just a minute, Lord Counsel. Before we proceed, may I just ask, the informant has been noticed?
Notice.
Yes, Lordship, notice has been served.
he has been noticed. The respond number 2 was probably the informant.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
So anyone has appeared on his behalf?
Till now, no one has.
No, none appeared, Lordship.
But service has been
Yes,
Yes, Lordship.
That's sufficient. In this kind of case, we need not appoint
Yes.
any amicus.
Yes, yes.
Please go ahead, sir.
Lordship. Lordship, we turn to page number 24, annexure 4.
Page number 24. Yeah, loan agreement.
Loan agreement, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, the respondent number 2 provide me a loan of rupees 5 lakhs. The second para, Lordship, whereas the said borrower, due to dire financial constraints, had approached the money lender on 8th June 2021 for availing a loan of rupees 5 lakhs for a period of 3 years, with a condition that the second party borrower shall pay an amount as token and such, Lordship. Now, after this, after I have taken the loan, I returned because, Lordship, I was a businessman, and during the COVID period, I have gone through a very strange position. So after that, Lordship, what happened? I tried my best to return that amount, and in various occasions, I have returned at least 1,25,000, Lordship. Lordship may turn to page number 31.
Yes.
31. On 7/8/2021, I have Sanjoy Mess at 1, 2, 3,
Loan
ninth row, Lordship. The payment made to Sanjay Mess 5,000. That is the respondent number 2's husband, Lordship. Then in the next page, Lordship, 32, I have again paid on 5/4/2022 an amount of 5,000. Thereafter, Lordship, at page 33,
Just a minute. Is 33.
33, fourth row from last, Lordship, on 10 July 2023, Bijli may transfer 5,000. Again on, Lordship, the next page, the 34 page number, the fourth row, Lordship, again I have paid rupees 50,000. 25th July 2023, Bijli may, Lordship. There and in the 10th row, Lordship, again 20,000 I have paid on 26th July.
Right.
On Lordship, at page 35,
Yes, I've seen.
third row, 35
31st July. Right?
Yes, the 31st July, Lordship, again I have paid 30. Lordship, not only that, in this year, in 2025, I have paid in various occasions, Lordship, till date, I have paid rupees 3,54,000 out of 5 lakhs, Lordship. So there is no intention of cheating or criminal breach of. I am trying my best to pay the amount, Lordship. So the sections in which the case is registered is cheating, Lordship. The most important ingredients is not there, Lordship, in the FIR also. Lordship, may turn to page number.
May I say just one thing at this stage? I've got it broadly, that whether it has a independent criminal element or not, that has to be
Yes, sir.
seen.
Yes, Lordship.
Otherwise, it arose out of some kind of
Some kind of money transaction, Lordship.
Now, since Madam has submitted that, in the meantime, charge sheet has been submitted.
Yes.
Let us get a scanned copy of the same charge sheet.
On the last occasion, LCR has been called.
Oh, it is received.
Whether it has.
If it is received, then we can hear and dispose it of. Call for the.
Lordship, my humble submission is that it is not saying to me till date I have not given. That's why my colleague is there, but
Where? No, the scanned copy of the trial court record was called for.
Oh, yes, yes.
CJM Dimapur,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
List after summon. This is last order, ma'am, of 24/6/2025. 24/6.
Yes, 24/6, yes, yes.
Thereafter, this it's come up today,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So probably I think scanned copy is there, but let's see. That is I think this come with it. Order. No, the rest of the matter is there. Charge sheet is not here. You can have a look.
Charge sheet is
Charge sheet, you can, ma'am, you can have a look.
With your permission, I'm submitting
Yeah.
the payment receipt.
Yes, absolutely.
Very good. These are the payment made in the last year, in 2025, Lordship.
As
Some
per your
of the
submission,
payments-
you have almost cleared
Yes.
more than 60% of the
Yes,
transaction.
yes, Lordship.
So, but since charge sheet has been submitted, it will be more complete on the part of the court.
Lordship,
have a look
Lordship will
at it.
fix a date.
yes.
So charge sheet is not there, I think. no?
It's not here. Yes.
So, let us call for the charge sheet. Scan. It won't take much time. So thereafter we'll
Lots.
in the meantime we can fix it for hearing.
Yes, yes.
Admit it and fix it for
Yes,
hearing.
yes.
It can come
Lots.
back. Your good name, please, sir, from Gauhati.
Nomoni Sharma.
Good afternoon, sir. Learned Counsel appears to video conferencing, assisted by Learned Counsel,
Okay, Ritsapu.
Learned Counsel, Learned Local Counsel, so and so. The primary contention of the petitioner is that the instant matter has arisen out of an essentially civil dispute by way of a loan, and that in the meantime the petitioner has cleared a significant portion of the same, and that the ingredients of the penal provisions given are not attracted, and therefore he seeks quashing of the criminal proceedings. Learned Public Prosecutor ma'am, submits that in the meantime the case has been charge sheeted. Scanned copy of the case record is available, but the charge sheet is not yet available. So call for the scan TCR, call for the scan copy of the charge sheet
Charge sheet and also the updated of the proceeding. the law court.
and the scan copies of the charge sheet and the updated TCR, right, from the court of the learned CJM Dimapur. In the meantime, don't write in the meantime. Further, the criminal petition is admitted for hearing. As reflected in the order dated so and so, service upon respondent service upon respondent number 2/informant is completed, but none has appeared on his behalf so far. His presence would have helped speed up the matter actually,
Yes,
but
yes.
he's not choosing to appear. So it can help.
Yes, yes.
That's why we just have to check the service, right? So list the matter for hearing after receipt of the updated TCR, scanned TCR. Should we fix a time frame?
After a week,
It'll be,
Lordship, actually,
depends on the,
yeah,
at the last part of September, Lordship. because I will be out of session due to some
List for hearing in the last week of September.
Lordship. Much obliged.
This you want to, you can give me in the day, hearing day, okay?
Much obliged.
And if you want, I can keep it in the record also. Should I? Keep it in the record. Petitioner.
For motion from the supplementary cost list, item number 13.
Timing.
No. Your Lordship, my friend is, learned friend is present there, Lordship, I am here.
You are appearing from which place?
Lordship, Gauhati, Lordship.
Gauhati.
Yes. Your Lordship, in pursuance of Honorable Court Order dated 10/6/2025, Lordship, I am unable to file IA, Lordship. I beg pardon, Lordship. So 2 weeks, 2 days may be granted, Lordship, time to file an IA, Lordship.
But are they necessary? DGP, the local police administration may be sufficient. I don't know. That's my
Lordship,
opinion.
then Lordship, then I will continue, Lordship. Your Lordship.
No, just a minute. Just hold on. Man.
Your Lordship, I have a very strong objection here, Your Lordship. Now, if you can kindly come to the first day, Your Lordship, when this anticipatory bill was filed, Your Lordship. The anticipatory bill was filed on 9/4/2025, wherein, Your
I'll
Lordship...
take up the transfer petition is before me.
Your
I'll
Lordship...
take up the AB first.
AB first, because...
Every person.
Right. Which order should I see?
The first order, when the anticipatory bill was filed and when it came before motion, Your Lordship, 9/4/2025.
Yeah.
So on this day, Your Lordship, what was the direction of the court? The direction of the court was actually let the accused appear on 22nd for 2025, Your Lordship.
Interim bail.
Yes, Your Lordship. And interim was granted. Yes, after that, what happened on 2/5/2025? Again, next order, Your Lordship, 2/5/2025. The petitioner was pleaded before this honorable court that because of his health reason, he was not able to appear on 24/4/2025, Your Lordship. And therefore, one last opportunity was granted for him to appear before the IO, Your Lordship.
On 13/5.
On 2/5/2025, Your Lordship, if you can kindly see 2/5/2025. Lordship, you got it?
2/5, somehow the order is not 13/5, and this 13/5 order is before me, and the office note. Then I come to 9/4, 2/5, it's not come to my notes.
Because on that order, one last opportunity was granted, Your Lordship.
It's not that can help me.
Your Lordship, so what I mean is
Anyway,
that on
2/5, last opportunity.
last
was granted.
opportunity was granted to let the accused
Oh,
appear.
2/5, sorry, yes.
Yes.
Sorry, I got it.
So the honorable court granted one last opportunity, and he was actually again directed to appear before the IO. Now what happened is that on 13/5/2025, when the matter was listed, he didn't appear, and he came up with a plea that he wants to file transfer petition. So I objected on that day that interim should be cancelled. However, on that day, the honorable court cancelled the bail because he did not appear for the second time also, even after one last opportunity was granted. So this honorable court deems fit and cancelled the anticipatory bail. But now what happened is that on the next day, they came with the TRP, and after transfer petition was filed, the court stayed the proceeding. Now, 3 weeks stayed the proceeding
The
of
police
the
investigation.
Yes, and the TRP was allowed. Now, what happened is that after the 3 weeks were granted, now on the next on 10/6, when the matter come up after 3 weeks, they again came before this court stating that they want to implicate the officials of this Assam, Your Lordship, the DGP and all these things.
Okay.
And then I objected. No, if that is the case, at least stay should not be granted. However, the stay was continued and they were given 2 weeks. And before this 2 weeks, they were supposed to file their impleachment before 2 weeks. However, that was not done. And the matter, only yesterday, I went and inquired in the registry why this matter was not listed. And then only, due to some communication gap, I informed them and the registry has listed the matter today. Okay. Now it's all about delay in tactics, Your Lordship. This cannot be done. The petitioner is taking the right of the law. We cannot allow it, Your Lordship. And therefore, if at all they want to pursue with this TRP transfer petition, then the proceeding, there should not be any stay, Your Lordship.
And let's continue, Your Lordship. I'm
We
willing
should
to
proceed with the investigation.
to make submission before the.
And now they are having a problem that because of some reasons he cannot come. He can at least come through VC at least, and talk to the IO. That is also, that effort has also been done, not done. And we are ready. Actually, the state are ready to provide the officials for security, for his security, to bring him here and do the investigation. Now we are having a difficulty, to transfer the petition there. The IO has to go there and investigate, do the investigation. That is we're having a practical difficulty. So if at all he's having some difficulty, we are willing to provide security, and with security he will be brought here and investigate accordingly. But going like this, it cannot happen, Your Lordship. They cannot take the right of the law, Your Lordship. They cannot actually take the right of the graciousness of this court. And therefore, I vehemently objected that if at all they want to proceed with this transfer petition, then no, there should be no stay.
Case diary has also come.
Yes.
Scan copy has come.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. So the investigation is stalled because
It's stalled, Your Lordship.
because of the stay.
Yes.
Right. Achha, anyway, before
Your Lordship.
You'll continue with the AB, because on the transfer petition I have a query to make actually.
Yes,
The
Your
transfer petition has been the sections, penal provisions, the procedural provisions under which the transfer petition has been filed.
Yes,
They
Your
pertain to the transfer from court, from one court to another.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So, if someone is seeking, we know about the territorial issue of police investigation.
That's true.
That sometimes the IO automatically transfers to another police station if the territorial jurisdiction is found to be different.
true.
But if somebody is seeking a transfer of a police investigation,
No.
these penal provisions pertain to court actually. Of course, 482 is a wider power, but anyway, this is my one query that you'll have to satisfy.
Your Lordship, may just submit.
Yeah, I'll hear you.
Your Lordship, it is my duty bound to comply the Honorable Court order dated 9/4/2025 as well as the 2/5/2025. But only because the problem arises that, Lordship, when I, by compliance the Honorable Court order, previous order, Lordship, when I entered into the Nagaland border, Lordship, but someone has followed, Lordship. Therefore, Lordship, I immediately informed to the concerned police station, that is the Sungadan police station, Lordship, that, Lordship, that someone has followed me, Lordship, only to security threat and the security reason, Lordship. I immediately came to the police station and I have filed an FIR intimating the entire reason, Lordship. Before the officer in charge of Sungadan police station, my learned friend has submitted the same before your Honorable Court, Lordship. Only because of that, Lordship, I am not able to appear before the IO, Lordship. Accordingly, Lordship, in subsequent instance, I have filed transfer petition, Lordship, and therefore, Honorable Court ordered 15/5.
Transfer petition is under the procedural provisions that you have invoked. They pertain to transfer from court, the previous provisions, 406 and all. They all pertain to transfer from one court to another.
Yes.
You are seeking, under what provision are you seeking, because this is not a 482 petition, right?
Yes,
as of now. Of course, we can always invoke 482, that's like a criminal writ, as I understand, to some extent at least.
But only because of that, Lordship, I am unable to appear before the
transfer petition is a statutory application actually, under certain provisions, but the provisions you are invoking are pertain to court. The matter is the matter is it is still in the hands of the police. It is at the stage of police investigation. So I would like to have an answer on that point.
So, kindly come to transfer petition, Lordship.
Yes.
So, Lordship, in transfer petition, Lordship, Annexure 2, I have categorically mentioned. Annexure 2, page number 23, Lordship. That is why, Lordship, I am unable to appear before the investigation authority, Lordship, despite repeated instruction of this Honorable Court, Lordship. Page number 23, Lordship, kindly be perused. Annexure 3, page number 24, Your Lordship. That is the government of the People's Republic of Nagaland, Lordship, Office of the Lang PB, General Headquarters, Naga Army, dated 27/2/2021, Lordship. That is, underground organization has issued letter to me, Your Lordship. that is the notification. The contractor officer in charge of all drilling works being earned out by ONGC at Sungajan, Amguri in Golaghat district of Assam is hereby informed to obtain authorization from this office, without which we will not allow to work to continue. It should be noted that no development drilling can be done without the consent of the stockholder. Therefore, contact intermediate agent for further instruction regarding this matter immediately. Apart from this, Lordship, another letter has issued to me, Lordship, kindly be prelude, that is Annexure 4, dated 12/2/2024, page number 28, Your Lordship. That is another letter. The Secretary Union Territory, NSC and GPRN, that is underground organization, has issued letter to me, to Ananta Bora. I am the petitioner, Lordship, with revolutionary greetings as per directive from the Chairman Union Territory. The office of the undersigned hereby inform the proprietor ONGC Oil and Natural Gas Cooperative to kindly contribute 5% against your work construction located at Aguna Gao area. Your kind contribution and anticipation towards NSC and GPRN will be highly acknowledged. So, Lordship, in several occasions, Lordship, different time, I have received a different number of letters from the underground organization. Wherein, Lordship, I approached before the DGP, IGP of Assam, Lordship, through registered mode, even also by personally, I appeared before the Superintendent of Police, and thereafter Superintendent of Police instruction to the DCP, Lordship, I appeared and I have made submission, my statement, and same has been recorded by the DCP, Lordship, Golaghat, Lordship. So, Lordship, Annexure 5, page number 30, Lordship, I stated the entire reason before the DCP, Lordship. So that is why I did not appear before the IO, Lordship. It is absolutely my duty bound to comply the court order, Lordship. But only because of such and such, Lordship, I did not appear,
A
Lordship.
particular authority in law is seized of the matter, which is the investigating officer of the police station in Nagaland. But whatever the reasons that for which you could not appear, which according to you is justified, but you could have intimated that.
Yes, Your
IO,
Lordship.
right? You know?
Yes, Your Lordship. That
He is exercising a legitimate power.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So anyway, should I
Your Lordship.
dispose of this matter
Yes, Your Lordship. Now,
Yes, Your Lordship,
if
because of the
actually
same,
he is
with a
jailed,
direction,
with a direction?
with a direction to transfer the same from
No,
one place to
That is
another place.
appropriate. I can dispose it off.
Your Lordship will pass the appropriate order
no,
on.
my prayer is that if he is at all apprehensive of his problem with the underground's unlawful organization, then Your Lordship, we are ready to provide with security. With security, we will bring him here. Your Lordship, Assam Police, what is the difference between Assam Police and Nagaland Police? There should not be any difference. What should be the security lapses, Your Lordship? It's all the same. Now, when we are ready to provide security to bring here for investigation, what is wrong with what is wrong with the petitioner? Now we are ready to provide, but the investigating officer going there investigating, Your Lordship, that will not be feasible, Your Lordship. So that is my humble prayer. As far as TP is concerned, Your Lordship, there's a procedural lapses also, Your Lordship. So
I think the implement of DJP Assam.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No more inquiry, absolutely, Your Lordship. But, Lordship, there is no any difficulties to, if this petition has been transferred, this case has been transferred from Nagaland to any other police station in the territory of Assam. I am willing to cooperate with the investigation authority. So, Lordship, there is no but the special provision is there, Lordship, as per the BNSS Act and CRPC, Lordship. So, by considering the such reason, Lordship, this matter is involving in case of my personal liberty, Lordship, Article 21 of Constitution, Lordship.
447 pertains to transfer from one court to another.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are seeking a transfer from one police station to another. So, which is the provision which pertains? You show me. I did not find actually. So, maybe that's a gray area. So, let me dispose it off.
Yes, Your
First,
Lordship.
I will dispose of the transfer petitions, and then I will come to the AB.
Maybe, Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
TP criminal, TRP criminal. 1 of 2025. The petitioner Ananta Borwa has filed the instant petition under section 447 of the BNSS 2023, seeking transfer of Difupar Police PS case number 41 of 2024 under section ... which is stated to be at the stage of investigation under the jurisdiction of the learned CJM Dimapur, Nagaland, to any other police station, preferably in the jurisdiction of the districts of Karbi Anglong / Golaghat / Jorhat in the state of Assam. The case arose out of an Ezahar dated file Ezahar dated 22/7/2024, filed by informant Akaito Yepto. The gist of the allegations is about a transaction pertaining to a JCB stated to have been given by the petitioner to him and his friend on hire basis, for which he paid 8 lakhs. And it is further alleged that subsequently Assam police took away the JCB as it supposedly belonged to another person. And since then, though he has been trying to get his money back, but the petitioner has been evading the same. The contention of the petitioner seeking transfer is that he has received some notices annexed with the petition from supposedly underground organizations making certain demands and demands and threats. Full stop. I perused in this regard. I perused Annexa 3.4. Three, four, five.
3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, 5. With these contentions, the petitioner is stated to have submitted an application dated 3/4/2025 before the learned DGP Assam, learned IGP Assam, and learned SP Golaghat District Assam, seeking protection. Full stop. It may be mentioned herein that the petitioner has also filed a AB, being AB number 10 of 25, in which he was granted interim bail with direction to appear, but due to his non-appearance, the interim order was vacated. In this context, the petitioner submits that he could not appear due to the alleged threats, and in the meantime he filed the transfer petition. Full stop. Section 447 of BNSS may be reproduced herein below. Upon perusing the said provisions, I find that the same pertains to transfer of a case at the stage of inquiry or trial from one court to another in exercise of transfer jurisdictions conferred on different courts, transfer jurisdiction conferred on the concerned courts. Full stop. Admittedly, the present matter is at the stage of police investigation. Full stop. I've also heard learned public prosecutor who vehemently opposes the transfer petition. It contends that the same is baseless and devoid of merit. It is submitted that to address the concerns, if any, of the petitioner, the investigating officer of Nagaland police is willing to give him protection for the purpose of cooperation in investigation. Full stop. It is further contended and submitted that the petitioner can also explore, could have also explored the possibility of appearing through video conferencing or on one or more occasions. Full stop. The learned public prosecutor praised for dismissing the transfer petition. Full stop. It also transpires that the petitioner side had sought some time to implead senior police officials of Assam and were given 2 weeks, but the impleadment has not yet taken place. However, the learned counsel has agreed to the disposal of the matter at this stage. Now I would say that a transfer petition filed under section 447 BNSS is exercise of a specific statutory provision governing transfer of criminal cases from one court to another as provided thereunder. Full stop. In the present transfer petition, vis-a-vis the said statutory provision, I do not find any specific provision. I'll fine tune that part. I did not find any specific provision for the court directing transfer of a police investigation from one police station to another in exercise of the said statutory provision under 447 BNSS. Full stop. Within bracket corresponding to earlier ... section, I think 407, we'll cross check it, CRPC. The present petition is not one invoking inherent powers under section 538, right? Inherent powers, no, yes. BNSS as well. Upon perusing the materials and giving my careful consideration to the contentions and submissions on both the sides, you give a dash. I find force in the contention of the prosecution on behalf of Nagaland police that the apprehensions expressed by the petitioner with regard to his difficulties in cooperation with the investigation due to alleged threats, again give a dash, can be addressed by giving him proper security in exercise of legitimate powers by the jurisdictional Nagaland police. The contention of the learned public prosecutor about the option of appearance to electronic mode on one or more occasion for the purpose of such investigation can also be considered in the present times of technological advances. Now, therefore, the statutory provision invoked sought to be invoked by the petitioner seeking transfer of police investigation do not, in my view, is not, in my view, the appropriate provision, statutory provision seeking transfer of such police investigation. Further, the contentions of the prosecution on behalf of Nagaland police regarding provision of security, etc., to the petitioner also carries weight. Lastly, I am of the considered view that due to such alleged threats from some underground organizations, it will not be justified to it will not be justified to interfere with or disrupt the territorial jurisdiction of police investigation, especially when the concerned jurisdictional police would be fully capable to provide necessary security, if any, warranted by the situation. Consequently, I do not find, not finding sufficient merit in this instant transfer petition, the same is dismissed and disposed of on the aforesaid terms. Right? So, in my opinion, there's no merit.
Yes,
This. So, this is my humble view. Of course, you can think. Now, let us come to the AB.
Yes, Your
So, what would you suggest? He's now without cover. Actually,
Yes,
it is pending that. You can make your submissions. What did you suggest here?
Now my suggestion is that the IO has expressed his difficulty. So the only thing that he has suggested is he's willing to provide security.
Yes.
And he can be brought here and accordingly.
No. First statement can be through VC also.
That also provided. Now
council himself is appearing.
I'm really apprehensive that there will be a network problem also. Maybe on the next day they will submit that there was a network problem and they couldn't have a convenience.
So this AB, do we call for because this is the not much point calling for updated case diary also because it is stalled.
Because it is stalled, because of that.
The transfer petition, the interim stay stands vacated.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I forgot to write.
Oh, your Lordship extended the time limit to appear before the IO. Only because of that I did not appear. Subsequent instance, Honorable Court has stayed the order, therefore. So, Lordship, it should be impacted, Lordship. It should be impacted only because of that if time has been extended.
I get your point, but transfer petition will remain incomplete.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Because the stay is in the transfer
In the
petition.
transfer.
So that since it is disposed of, that stay has to be vacated. So now in the anticipatory bail, we can give him fresh protection if necessary.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But you have to make your submissions. Should we call for an updated CD and ask him to appear now this time to video conferencing?
Your Lordship, yes, as a first step,
As a first
because
step,
the only sole purpose is to come to a concrete investigation, Your Lordship. So let's say, like, Lordship, we can give first opportunity, maybe taking the plea of the petitioner regarding the threat. So that recourse can be taken, but in case, Your Lordship, in the event that has not become, but then with security, given the security, we have to bring him here for investigation.
So the interim has to be given again.
Yes, Your Lordship, maybe
Interim
till...
protection.
10 days, at least 10 days time can be extended, Lordship. That I will be
The
agreeing.
video conferencing can be taken even within 1 week.
I'll write. So, ma'am, you can, I'll just guide you. We need not dictate you from order dated 9/4/2025, right? 9/4/2025. First two para will be same, right? First two para will be same. On 9/4/2025, though the petitioner was granted interim protection with direction to appear, but he has not done so, allegedly due to some threats.
Due to some medical reason. On the first occasion, it was on medical reason.
Medical reason.
Yes.
Allegedly due to a medical reason initially, and later due to some alleged threats.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Full stop. In the meantime, he filed a full stop. Further opportunity to appear was also not complied with, due to which, while order dated 2/5, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
The interim.
No, on 13/5.
13/5. The interim
Bail was cancelled.
bail was vacated while keeping the main petition pending. In the meantime, the petitioner preferred transfer petition seeking transfer of the police investigation to Assam, which has been disposed of today by separate order, dismissing the said transfer petition. Full stop. The learned public prosecutor submits that the petitioner can be given one opportunity at this stage. Can I record that?
Yes, Your Lordship. Just 1 week, Your Lordship, because it's a VC, Your Lordship.
To cooperate with the investigation, and if necessary, such appearance can also be through electronic mode.
That suppose, like, if it was fruitful, okay. But if
Electronic
his
mode,
presence was...
electronic mode can also be, I
Yes,
said,
Your Lordship.
not necessarily.
Permitted.
Full stop. Upon hearing the matter, despite the earlier vacation of the interim order, I deem it fit to grant the opportunity to the petitioner. Full stop. Do we call for an updated CD?
Yes, after the
After the
VC,
recording.
after the VC, and like maybe after that, in the even if...
So, therefore, it is directed that in the interim, till the next returnable date, in the event of arrest of the petitioner in connection with this case, he may be allowed to go on bail of rupees 20,000 with one surety of the like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, and subject to the condition that he shall cooperate with the investigation and shall appear before the IO physically or through electronic means.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Through electronic, don't write physically or
Your Lordship,
electronic. Yeah.
through
You can suggest.
VC, he can make an appearance. Suppose what is his difficulty, at least let the IO
Yeah.
get to know that.
You can't
Then
do
after
physically.
that, Your Lordship, for the bail, Your Lordship, maybe that can be considered on that
Very
stage.
fair on your part
Yes.
to say that. Cut the physical part he shall appear through electronic mode if necessary. Needless to say that to address any apprehensions of security, the needful can be done by the investigating authority
Yes, Your Lordship, through the
cons-
VC.
on the concerned police station. This time it will not arise because he will appear through
No, I will not be
VC.
appearing. The IU will appear through VC and the
Yeah,
accused has to appear on the VC.
Yes, both
Yeah.
will.
Yes, Your Lordship. A specific date may be granted so that on that day they can.
Should I, that will be, I can, date can be given, but I think week will be more flexible. What do you say?
Week.
Week.
Lordship.
Though the scanned CD case diary is available, however, the updated scanned case diary may be sent after recording the petitioner statement, if any. Okay. We'll fix a date then.
Yes, Your Lordship. So on the next date, if the IU face difficulty on the video conferencing, then maybe, Your Lordship, that will be
They won't
another.
face.
Yes, maybe.
They
So,
won't face. Nowadays on WhatsApp call also we can record.
yes, so we'll just have to see, Your Lordship.
It doesn't have formal, Google Meet or something like. Hey, Mr. Counsel, you want to say something? Learned PP Madam is saying about fixing a specific date where you will interact with the IO. Is it okay for you?
Lordship, within 10 days, Your Lordship. Fix the date within 10 days. 10 days, time may be granted.
Learned Counsel submits that he's agreeable to fixing a date for such appearance before IO, but it may be done so. He may be given 10 days time. It may be done so within 10 days. So today is 27, right? Yeah. Sixth of September, 6/9.
6.
Okay. The petitioner shall appear before the IO through electronic mode on 6/9/2000.
And when.
Through electronic mode if necessary on 6/9/2025.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We have already written about getting the updated case diary, right? So it will be fixed thereafter.
Yes, Your Lordship. After that, the updated CD will be furnished before the school.
List on 10/9 or 11/9?
Division bench day, Your Lordship. So maybe 11 or 9.
11/9.
Lordship, alternatively, I prayed that please be direct local police station to provide assistance if required, Lordship. Local police station, Lordship. That
They
is
will
so that
coordinate.
police station.
Yes,
They can coordinate.
yes, as and when they.
Coordinate.
appear through
And it
the-
will record it.
You need not worry about that. They will coordinate.
Yes, Your
The
Lordship.
police always have coordination,
Yes.
especially for districts. They have full coordination.
Your Lordship.
Much obliged.
Keep your Lordship.
For admission, item number 5.
Damage to land presentation. This was pertaining to damage to land. Right. Would you like to sum up?
No, respondent number 2 have filed their affidavit, but respondent number
You are paying for respondent number 2?
for the petitioner.
You are for the petition.
But the state respondents have not filed their affidavit. And
You are for the highway corporation? State respondents. Actually, the direction was, as I see it, prima facie, it was a simple direction actually to just assess
yes,
the compensation. It was not a direction to give compensation. Assess it.
correct.
It could have been done by now. But anyway. It's para 7, right? Para 7. Actually, I'm just saying generally, subject to correction, that in whenever this kind of any time frame, because sometimes the court should also endeavor always to fix realistic time frames, right? Whenever giving any direction to the administrative authority, whatever it is, the court sometimes does not have all the entire situation before it. But whenever a time frame is fixed, actually, and for some reasons, suppose bona fide reasons, the authority is unable to comply with that, it may be a good idea to file an IA in the disposed of petition and seek some extension. In that case, the need for filing a contempt petition would not arise at all. That because of these reasons, I need some more time. So I may be given, initially suppose 1 month was given, I need some more time. So that can always be done actually. It may be a good practice generally. Then the need for a contempt petition, because then the court will also be seized of this thing. That well, as the court, I had fixed so and so time, but this authority is now pointing out these aspects. So that can be, though it's a disposed of writ petition, but it can be, that kind of perhaps, that aspect can also be seen. Anyway, but here coming to this, have now 1, 2, 3 are the state respondents.
No, Your Lordship. 1, 3, and 4 are state respondent.
Oh yes,
Yes, in the contempt.
1, 3, Chief Secretary.
Yes, yes. Lordship,
1, 3, and 4. You are paying for 1, 3, and 4.
No, I'm appealing for 1. I'm appealing for one only.
Chief Secretary.
Yes, my Lord. And the order in the writ petition, Your Lordship, is very specific. It is very specific.
True. That's what I was saying. 7, para 7.
Yes, the petitioner has submitted a representation to respondent number 4 and 7 as per para 5 of the order. Now 4 and 7 is respondent number 2 and
Let us see the order.
Yes. Page 14, my Lord.
Which para?
Para 5, my Lord.
Okay.
If I may be allowed to read this,
Yeah,
my Lord.
please read.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that at this stage, he has a limited prayer that this writ petition may be disposed of with a direction to the respondent authorities to dispose of a representation dated 27/7/2023, submitted before respondent number 4 and 7. And then the direction is at para 7, my Lord. If I may be allowed to read this again, my Lord.
Be that as it may.
Be that as it may be, since the parties are in agreement on the limited prayer made by the learned counsel for the petitioners, in view of the said agreement of the parties, this writ petition is disposed of at this stage with a direction to the respondent authorities, more particularly the respondent number 4 and 7, to dispose of the representation dated 27/7/2023, submitted by the petitioner for assessment of compensation by passing a speaking order within a period of 30 days from the date of receipt of certified copy of this order. So the order is very specific to direction to the respondent number 4 and 7. In the contempt petition, the respondent number 4 and 7 are made as respondent number 2 and 3. However, because of a change of guard, respondent number 4 has took over, and therefore they have made the respondent number 4 has also been implemented, my Lord.
So the 4 and 7 are now 2 and
2 and 3. 2 and 4, my Lord. 2 and 4.
2 and 4. June Boto.
As far as responding to the executing agency is concerned, Lordship, on the receipt of this order passed by this order court, Lordship, we have already communicated to the Deputy Commissioner, because Deputy Commissioner is the competent authority, Lordship. Now we
the District Commissioner of June Boto.
Yes.
Yes, Lord. So I have also enclosed in my affidavit, because I have already filed my affidavit taking a stand on the disposal and in compliance of this honorable court's direction. We have already communicated with the Deputy Commissioner, because we came into the picture only the year 2017, and the claim is prior to 17. So we have made our.
So the assessment will have to be done by the establishment of the Deputy Commissioner, District Commissioner,
and also the representative.
with your assistance.
Yes, Lord.
Okay. Because these things, if these things are done fast, it can give a lot of relief to people.
Correct.
Property, land acquisition, compulsory nature of
Yes.
matters.
Yes.
Somebody's land has been acquired or construction has been made. I have no choice.
Yes.
So so the the least that the system should do for me is give me whatever compensation speed.
Yes, correct.
That will enhance people's faith in the rule of law and future exercise in such acquisitions or
Yes.
constructions.
Yes.
Otherwise, there may be resistance. People.
Yes. Now, Your Lordship, it appears that respondent number 4, that is the Deputy Commissioner, is not represented today. I don't know whether the notice upon the respondent number 4 is completed or not.
On the last occasion, the counsel for respondent number 4 appeared.
Nah, your Wakalan number has been filed. The affidavit in opposition also filed. Respondent number 4.
I've also served the copy to the respondent number 4 also.
Lordship, the additional AG in team song is, I'm a bit informed that he is appearing for respondent number
Just 3.
3 and 4.
Your good name?
I'm Pakirin Saw, my lord.
Okay, so that. Learned counsel for the petition, heard answer. You are appearing for 1.
1.
Gami, learned counsel, appearing for only respondent number 1. And 2, somebody is appearing? You're Jamil. Jamil, learned counsel, appearing for respondent number 2. And you filed an affidavit in opposition. And affidavit in opposition has been filed on behalf of respondent number 2. As for office note, dated 25/8/2025, Wakalatnama and affidavit in opposition has also been filed on behalf of R4, respondent number 4. So 3 is not clear.
Lordship, no, 3 is not here.
Rest all have entered appearance. So 3, who will appear for 3 then?
My lord, 3 and 4 will be represented by 4 because 3 is a former DC Ojunibuto and 4 is a present.
Okay.
After I filed only, he was transferred.
Nice. Learned petitioner counsel submits that R3, respondent number 3, being former DC Jonebato, he can perhaps be represented by the learned counsel for R4, respondent number 4. Anyway, probably when who's the counsel? It's Lama. It's fine. Anyway, we have all the affidavits are, you have not filed an affidavit.
No, Your Lordship, because direction is not to me, my lord. Yes.
Let me record that. Mr. Angami, learned counsel for 1, respond 1, submits that as per para 7 of the order dated 30/4/2024 in WPC 310 of 23, out of which this contempt petition has arisen. Specific directions were more towards respondent number 4 and 7 of the writ petition, who are respondent number 2 and 4 of this contempt petition. Let it be on record. So I think we are ready to hear and dispose it of. Right?
Lordship,
But the thing is that even that might serve limited purpose. The thing is that we need to know the status of the process also, exercise also.
Lordship, since I have not seen the affidavit of the respondent number 4, but my humble submission will be this, Your Lordship. Since the representation is to be disposed of, if that is disposed of, then there can be no contempt.
Yes.
And if they are aggrieved by...
That is why I initially said that the direction was pretty simple.
Yes, it is very simple.
You just consider their case for compensation.
Yes.
And depending on the outcome of that, there could be a separate proceeding. That's another matter.
Yes, that's another matter.
At this stage, we need not be detained. Actually.
Correct.
We need not be detained. All that is to be done is just.
Correct, my lord. I totally agree with my lord.
So, I was just checking this. Wakalatnama and this respond number 4. Maybe the affidavit has not come on record. But it has,
4 have not filed their affidavit.
office note won't be written if it's not there. Wakalatnama and affidavit in opposition. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Yet to be filed.
Lordship.
Sorry, that's why I was thinking. As per office note, did you change that? 25/8/25. Wakalatnama and affidavit in opposition yet to be filed. They have been served, right? They have been
I have served the copy now.
served. The respondent number 4 is directed to file since respondent number 4 is stated to have been served, they may file their reply, if any, expeditiously,
Lordship.
so that the matter can proceed. List after
2 weeks.
after 2 weeks.
Lordship, maybe after 3 weeks, my lord.
Okay. List after 3 weeks. That will
I'm
be
deeply
more realistic. In the meantime, they have to just do that.
Yeah, they just have to dispose their reputation, my lord. Deeply obliged.
For hearing, item number 6.
May I bless your Lordship? Lordship, on behalf of Moy Angel, let the matter be listed on next Tuesday, Lordship.
Next Tuesday.
Lordship.
You are Miss
Pichano.
Learned Counsel. Praise for adjourning the hearing today due to some personal difficulty, and submits that it may be fixed on Tuesday next week. Should we fix it on Tuesday?
Lordship.
We want to do that. It's a pay scale matter, I guess, right? Yes. Pay scale. Work charge employees will pay out just. List on what will be the date?
Second.
Second.
2/9 for hearing.
I pledge.
For hearing, item number 8 and 9.
Yeah.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, the matter pertains to non-payment of
Bills.
Lordship. There was a work order that was issued in the year 2013. There was a stipulated time. I have completed within the stipulated period of time. And there was also a part payment, Lordship. The contract is for an amount of rupees 40 lakhs. And I have received an amount of rupees 11.11, Lordship. So the balance amount I'm claiming is 29 lakhs 31,737. The state as well as the union, they have also filed the affidavit.
Both matters are analogous.
Both are analogous.
Two different bills. Right?
Yes, Lord. It is for construction of budget accommodation. One is part 1 and the other was part 3. Otherwise, everything remains the same. The amount is also the same, Lordship.
I see.
May I take your Lordship to the work order, Lordship?
Yes.
Page number 14.
We know the governing law, right? We all know that if it's an admitted liability, directions can be given.
Lordship.
Lordship.
That is the governing law, right?
Yes.
Lordship.
Right? I'm not wrong. But we have to see the facts of the present case.
Yes.
Lordship, Lordship, yes.
Yeah. You can start your submission.
Lordship.
Work order at page
14, 1 4, Lordship.
page 14.
If your Lordship, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, Lordship. This is dated 21st of December 2013, and the subject is Integrated Tourism Destination at Angpang. This is a place in the Mon district in Nagaland, Lordship. Construction of budget accommodation part 1. Reference government approval number so dated 20th of December 2013. In response to your tender negotiation for the construction of above noted work, I'm to inform you that the said work is allotted to you at a rate of 30% above SOR 2010 and PWD, and the approximate estimated cost inclusive of the quoted above at par percentage for the civil work amounts to 40.43 lakhs. Over and above the condition and specification mentioned in the tender, you are requested to abide the following condition. 1. So all these are conditions, Lordship, and at 8, the stipulated time is 18 months, Lordship. I have to complete the project within 18 months. Now, Lordship, coming to page 18, 1.8, Lordship. On receipt of the work order, I have executed my work and completed within the stipulated period of time. Lordship, this is a verification report, 19 April 2021, Lordship. Page number 18. Verification was carried out by the office of the SDO Civil. Lordship. May I read it, Lordship? It is a report. Subsequent upon the request made by the concerned beneficiary, the undersigned had conducted spot verification of the following construction activities undertaken under integrated tourist destination at Angpang in Nagaland. So, my project comes under serial number 5 and 6.
Budget accommodation.
Yes, Lordship. 6, the present writ petition, and serial number 5 is the next analogous petition, Lordship. Now the operative
Budget
portion.
accommodation part 1, budget
Yes.
accommodation part 3.
Exactly, Lordship. It is to certify that the above mentioned activities has been completed satisfactory. Therefore, the concerned authority may kindly conduct technical verification. So that is the recommendation, and release the pending payments at the earliest possible. So, a recommendation for technical verification, Lordship. But the report says that it has been completed satisfactorily, Lordship. Now coming to the next page, page 19, Lordship. Page 19. This is an information furnished through the Right to Information Act, Lordship. This is 29th of May 2023. Disclosure of information under RTI Act 2005. Now, Lordship, I'm concerned with serial number 5 and 6. This only to do with a release of amount, Lordship. Budget accommodation part 3 and part 1. The same amount was released, 11,11,263. It was released on in the month of May 2014. Name of the receiver is there. So there's no dispute as far as the payment of 11 lakhs is concerned, Lordship. I have been approaching the department on several occasions for release of the remaining amount, Lordship.
As per you.
Our representation was also submitted, Lordship will find it in the next page. And also coming to the next annexure, Lordship, page number 23.
Just a minute.
Lordship.
The remaining amount on in both the writ petitions are same.
Same, Lordship. The remaining amount is same.
Okay, page 23.
Page 23, Lordship. This is a communication made by the director to the petitioner's representative, Lordship. This is dated 2nd of September 2023. Subject representation of non-payment of bill amount of rupees so and so for construction of so and so. In inviting a reference to the subject above, I have the honor to submit here with a reply in respect to representation of so and so for construction of so and so. This project, which comes under project infrastructure development of tourism destinations and circuits, with relevant detail of the payment is appended in Annexure A. This is for your information. Lordship, Annexure A is very important. Lordship, this is stand taken by the state, Lordship. Annexure A, Lordship will find it at the next page, page 24. This is the standard, this is the ground why the remaining bill has not been released.
We'll read it carefully. Okay. You read,
May I read it, Lordship? Page 24. Integrated tourist destination so and so in Nagaland under the Ministry of Tourism sanctioned the project under so and so scheme during the year 2013 to 14, that is the financial year. approved total cost of the project amounts of rupees 500 lakhs was sanctioned white so and so, having different work components to be taken up under the project. Against the project, the Ministry of Tourism had released an amount of rupees 100 lakhs as first installment at the rate of 20% of the total project cost. Out of the different work component, construction of budget accommodation part 1 was issued to MS so and so with work order amounting rupees 40.43, white order dated so and so. Against the above stated work, first running bill was prepared amounting to rupees 11,263 for release to MS so and so against work executed at the site of the deduction of security deposit of 8% and work tax of rupees so and so from first running bill net of so and so was released. In due course of time, the department was pursuing for the subsequent release of the second installment for the above stated project at so and so. However, prior to getting the second installment, the Ministry of Tourism had issued a letter number so and so dated 13th of February 2017. This is important, Lordship. It is in the year 2017 to the State Department of Tourism that all projects under PIDTC scheme got delinked from the union support, and the so-and-so scheme had to be implemented by the state government resources for completion of the project. This was communicated in the year 2017, Lordship. The department had taken up the matter with the ministry for further funding of the uncompleted project under the scheme, as the state government was not in a position to fund the uncompleted project of so-and-so. Further, white letter so-and-so that no budget allocation was made available to the Ministry of Tourism for the stated scheme. The department had no other option but to keep the project as where it is due to lack of fund. So that is the stand, Lordship. Now coming to the next document, Lordship. This is a communication made by the ministry. This is to the department of, to the state government, Lordship. This is dated 13th of February 2017. Dear so-and-so, as you are aware, the product infrastructure development of tourism destination and circuits, that is the scheme, Lordship. PIDTC, Lordship, has been the link from the union support, and the scheme has to be implemented by the state government from their resources. This is a very important, Lordship. The state has to manage from their resources. It has been clearly communicated in the year 2017. Accordingly, it is understood that you would have already would be taking appropriate measures to complete the unfinished projects sanctioned under so-and-so scheme through the resources of the state government. As a part of this integral exercise, Ministry of Tourism would like to request you to provide the utilization certificate in respect of the funds already released for such unfinished projects sanctioned under so-and-so scheme, along with the details of physical progress made thereto, a GF2 utilization of funds released by Ministry of Tourism. Unutilized funds, if any, may also please be made available to the ministry in case it is not possible to provide corresponding utilization certificate. Due priority may please be accorded to the above, and necessary details may kindly be provided at earliest. So the ministry stand was very clear in the year 2017. It was very clear, a clear instruction to the state government. Now next, Lordship. Even in the year 2018, there's another communication by the ministry. May I take your Lordship to page number 26? May I read it, Lordship?
Yeah, 21.5.
Yes, Lordship, 21.5 of 18. As you are aware, the scheme of Ministry of Tourism has been delinked from the union support for state plan financial year 2015 to 16 after the higher devolution of 42% of union taxes and duties to the states on the recommendations of the 14th Finance Commission. Accordingly, no budget allocation with effect from the financial year 2015 to 16 for the scheme under state plan was made available to Ministry of Tourism. However, Ministry of Tourism and donor have been persuading Ministry of Finance to allocate funds for the state projects, which were in the advanced stage of completion. In order to facilitate this exercise, it is imperative to know the current status of all the PIDTC projects which are in an advanced stage of completion, more than 50% physical progress achieved on ground. I will appreciate if you kindly send this ministry the requisite information in the enclosed pro forma for that this ministry can again take up the matter with the Ministry of Finance. That is the communication, the latest communication, which I was able to procure and finish it before this on the court. So it was in the year 2017 and 18, the ministry has already made clear about the stand. Now the state have filed the affidavit, they have taken the stand, Lordship. And the second is, the second contention raised by the state respondents is, Lordship, I have executed a project, but the project was not executed in terms of the drawing, the plan. That is the second contention raised by the state's Lordship. The first is regarding the fund.
Where is it written? Which paragraph? That was not in, the work was not in terms of the,
Lordship,
in their affidavit.
in the affidavit on opposition filed by respondents 1 to 4. Lordship.
Para.
Lordship, if your Lordship, 6 of the affidavit filed in the state.
Regarding the question of information, it starts like this.
Lordship, may I read it, Lordship? para 6 of the affidavit filed by the state. The relevant paras are 6, 10, and 15. May I read 6, Lordship? With regard to the statement made in para 5, it is pertinent to mention here that the work allocation work order has clearly been stated that, quote, no power of attorney in the name of any individual will be accepted, unquote. But the petitioner so-and-so has authorized so-and-so to be used lawful representative which shows clear violation of terms of the contract. That is also one contention, Lordship. Coming to paragraph number, para 7, Lordship, the next page. Regard to statement so-and-so 6, it is denied that the work was completed in compliance of the work order. The department official had conducted a joint physical verification on the construction of so-and-so. As per the report, the work was not as per the original plan of the drawing issued by the contractor. So that is the stand, Lordship. And para 10 and 15, their ground, their stand is on the budget, Lordship. Now, as far as this para 7 is concerned, Lordship, the contention that I have not completed as per the plan, Lordship, it is my respectful submission that if a joint verification is conducted and the fund may be released according to what I have constructed, if it is not as per the drawing, verified, make an assessment, Lordship, and release the amount which I deserve, Lordship. If they arrive to a finding that the amount does not meet 29 lakh rupees, Lordship, which I am entitled, Lordship, the state government may release as per the assessment on the site.
So this is the finance part is 10 and
15, Lordship, 10 and 15.
And this construction.
And the union, they have made their stand very clear, Lordship. I'll refer only one paragraph, Lordship, just one paragraph. Filed a union, Indian Lordship, respondent filed. An affidavit filed by respondent number 5, Lordship. They have reiterated the stand and also, Lordship, a contention is made. Paragraph 5 of the affidavit filed by respondent number 5, Lordship.
This is one to
This is the code of the respondent number 5. I have received this in the month of March 2025.
Yes. Para.
If the Lordship got it. Paragraph number 5, Lordship will find page 3. Page 3. May I read it, Lordship? A. The petitioner states that since the Ministry of Tourism has already conveyed its decision and difficulty to state government with regard to the project in hand, and the state government was directed to complete by funding its own resources, therefore it is most unfair and arbitrary for the state government to delay releasing the outstanding amount to the petitioner. This is the stand of the ministry, Lordship. B. Of the decision conveyed to the government of Nagaland, in the year 2017, the Union of India Ministry of Tourism has no role to play, and there are no reasons to implicate Ministry of Tourism in this matter.
Okay, this much I understand.
Lordship.
But before I come to Madam, I'll just take it 2 minutes. 2 minutes break. This para 7, you said it conflicts with that certificate, completion certificate. But your alternative submission is that even if it is not,
there's only one verification report in my support, Lordship. they have stated that yes, they have completed satisfactorily, and they have also recommended for technical verification, Lordship. And on technical verification, I'm making my submissions very clear, Lordship.
Yes.
On technical verification, they have stated no, they have not constructed it in terms of the plant. So my respectful submission.
Technical verification report is not there.
There's no report. They have not
In the
submitted there.
affidavit, they've
No,
stated.
Lordship. They should have included.
No, it's stated in the affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. It is
That it is
stated in
not
the
as
affidavit.
per specification.
Lordship.
We just resume after 5 minutes. So would you like to add something or should I? Yeah, so I'll come back to you.
Lordship.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, firstly, the plea of the petitioner that.
Just a minute, ma'am. I need a stapler. Stapler. Yeah, the bill of the petitioner.
Yes, your Lordship. The plea of the petitioner that the state is liable for the pending bill is totally misconceived. Your Lordship, here Your Lordship may appreciate that the scheme is 100% centrally sponsored scheme. State is only implementing agency, Your Lordship. So only after the approval of the central government, if Your Lordship will see the list of the date, after the approval of the central government, tender has been issued. And accordingly, as per the guidelines of the scheme.
For a moment, what was the day, year and date of the tender?
11/9/2013. Total amount of 500 lakhs as per plan. That was
And in 2017, this was discontinued.
Yes, it was de-linked by the
De-linked.
central government.
And
the central
state government was asked to finance it from its own sources.
Yes,
resources.
but the state doesn't, its Lordship may kindly appreciate that it's 100% centrally sponsored scheme. How can they wash their hands and give a direction to the state to pay the remaining when the state has no special allocated fund for it? So Your Lordship here, the central cannot shift the liability to the state. Lordship may kindly appreciate the approval was in 2013 and the work had started as per the terms and conditions. But here in 2017, it has been de-linked. Now after de-link, the central has expressed its
inability.
Yes, inability. But at the same time, in the year 2018, Lordship may kindly come to, that is on the record of
the Tourism Ministry is taking up with the finance.
Yes, that Your Lordship must have seen. So that shows that they are making an effort to
because it affects the half-done projects.
Yes,
right?
yes, right.
What will
right.
happen to them? Who will
Right,
finance?
Your Lordship. Right, Your Lordship. So accordingly, since they have asked the state to furnish the status report of the work, the state has sent the report. But after that, there was no reply from the central government. So how can the state be held liable? Your Lordship, and also Your Lordship, the petitioner, one of the prerequisites for the release of the pending bill is the completion certificate. The petitioner is relying on the verification report, which is not a completion certificate. So this is not by the concerned authority. It is the district administration who has gone for a verification.
The verification,
it's just a verification.
The completion certificate would be given by the tourism department of Nagaland.
Yes, by the concerned department. But the department did not, till now the department has never issued any completion certificate due to paucity of fund.
I see.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Whatever the part amount of money which they have received, 11 lakhs, with regard to that, completion certificate was given?
No. Only after the completion of the whole project.
Yes. No, that part payment was given on the basis of some verification.
That was given as a running bill.
Running bill.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes. So even the central has released only 100 lakhs
Difficult
out of,
situation.
yes, that is 20% of the total scheme project. So out of 500, only 100 lakhs has been released. So that has been allocated to all the contract. There are many similar matters pending before this honorable court.
I understand.
Yes.
It's a difficult situation. And
Yes.
you claim to have completed the work?
Yes, Lordship. That is my claim, Lordship.
Subject to technical verification
Yes,
and
Lordship.
whatever is found
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
pursuant to that.
Yes, Lordship.
But Your Lordship...
Difficult situation, actually.
Yes, Lordship. So Your Lordship may kindly come to my additional affidavit, which I have filed in reply to the central affidavit, and the ministry affidavit, the one which I have filed on 7th of August, 2024.
Just a moment.
Para 3.
Just a minute. This is the respond number 5 affidavit. I think this is the probably should be the one. I found an affidavit on behalf of 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes.
That is there. But,
An additional affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent 1, 2, 3, 4. Government has filed 3 affidavits, yes. One in pursuance to Honorable
This is
Court's
the
order.
affidavit in reply. This is the
Yes.
affidavit in opposition. What is the date of the affidavit?
Date is 18/7/25. 18th of July, 2025.
Come here. Kindly check it. It should be here, I must have missed it. Oh, yeah, got it. It was with the writ petition. Additional affidavit on behalf of 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, Lordship, para 4. In reply to the statement made by the Central, we have made a reply to this. Para 4.
Just para 4. No.
May I read, Your Lordship?
That
That
in
the
reply.
following additional materials are being brought on record by way of this additional affidavit, that regarding the reply to letter dated so and so issued by the Ministry of Tourism, it is respectfully submitted that the state government has been submitting the utilization certificates against the sanctioned project repeatedly in order to avail the second installment from the ministry. The utilization certificates are appended in Annexure 1, 2, and 3, respectfully for the kind perusal of this Honorable Court. Para 5. That with respect to the issuance of the completion certificate, it is submitted that the same could not be issued as the state government has received only 20% of the total project cost. Consequently, only a portion of the work was executed in accordance with the available sanction amount. So, Your Lordship, in respect of this, the ministry is silent. Till now, they have not filed. They didn't have any say.
So therefore, probably the completion certificate has not been possible to be issued.
Yes.
Because the fund has not been received.
Until the fund is received, we cannot issue because the state is only an implementing agency. The funding is totally 100% central.
It was. Then in
Yes.
midway,
Yes,
it
yes.
was delinked.
It got delinked. Yes, yes.
And then the crisis started.
Yes, yes.
Of course, that aspect apart, I would also need some more, assistance on that point, that without a, completion certificate or technical, verification report.
They have already conducted. The
No.
department subsequently they have conducted.
Any
The
document
state-
available with regard to that? Any
State has
document?
enclosed in report, Lordship.
They're closed.
No material to show that there is a completion certificate. There has to be a completion certificate saying that work has been done satisfactorily.
Yeah, that is true.
Yes.
But pursuant to the technical verification, is there any document regarding the same?
Two verifications were conducted on 2 occasions, Lordship, which have enclosed one, and the state, while filing the affidavit, they have enclosed the subsequent verification report, Lordship.
Now you said there were 2 aspects of it. One
Yes,
was the
Lord.
technical part.
Yes, Lordship.
One was the general verification.
Yes, Lord.
And one was the technical verification.
Yes, Lordship.
Regarding
And-
the technical, I'm just trying to
Yes, Lordship.
understand,
Yes, Lordship.
go deeper into the matter. The technical verification part, is there any document regarding the same?
Yes, Lordship.
Or from either side?
Lordship.
There
Yes,
is.
Lordship.
Can you help me with that?
If your Lordship may kindly come to page number 9 of the affidavit filed by respondent 1 to 4.
The first affidavit.
Yes, Lordship, the first affidavit. Affidavit in opposition. If your Lordship got it.
Yes. Para.
Page 9. page 9 of the FD, Annexure B.
Page 9. Physical verification report.
Yes, Lordship. Gist of work, name of the work is there, approved sanction, sanction release till date by the Ministry of Tourism, funding agency, year of sanction, work order amount, name of contractor, work order dated so and so. As directed by the executive engineer, I, Shri so and so, SDO, accompanied by subordinate officer, Mr. so and so, junior engineer of the Directorate of Tourism, Kohima, visited the site of the already constructed budget accommodation on the 27th of January 2024. This is a subsequent verification. The earlier was conducted in the year 2021 and this is 2024.
And which said that, okay.
Yes.
The earlier verification said that it was
satisfactory.
satisfactory.
Yes, and there was a recommendation for technical verification also. Now, it may be mentioned that the project was overseen under so-and-so, the 10th SDO and engineer so-and-so, JE, engineer so-and-so, has been promoted and transferred from SDO to E to other department, whereas so-and-so would not accompany to the project due to unavoidable circumstances. Now, observation. Joint inspection was carried out by the department officials with the concerned contractor and Angpang Village Council. The budget accommodation part 1 was conducted in so-and-so village. However, it may be stated that the work carried out in constructing the so-and-so was not as per the original plan of the working drawing issued to the contractor from this office. So this shows that there was a verification and there's an observation.
Observation.
Lordship.
Adverse to you, actually.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship.
yes.
And I fairly agree with this, Lordship.
Yeah.
So there were 2 verifications.
And for the unit of year, I finished reading my affidavit. But if my Lordship will come to page 2 of my affidavit, I'll read just one paragraph. Affidavit in association on behalf of S1 number 5.
Yes, it was, my attention was drawn to that.
Yes, Lordship.
Para 5.
Yes, Lordship. For the satisfaction, let me read just one paragraph. Yeah, right, Lordship. Para 3. That at the asset, it is stated that in pursuance of the recommendation of the 14th Finance Commission, the project product infrastructure development of the destination of circuit scheme has been delinked from the unit support, and no budgetary provision was made since 2015 to 2016 onward. So after that, after 2014, from 2015, no budgetary was allowed.
Yeah, that was the crux of
So
the
now
crisis.
what will happen after 2014?
Yes.
So in spite of that, they have issued a work order.
Work order was issued
In
in
spite of
2013. Yes.
So 2014, all things was
In
given
reply
budget.
to this, we have already made
So 2014.
No, the scheme was discontinued in 2017.
17, yes.
No, that was information was given on 2017, but the scheme was from 2015 onward. 2014 and 15, but the information was given in the year.
Formally intimated in 2017.
Yes, yes.
That is the information was.
And according to you, it was informed in 2015 itself.
Yes. From 2015 it was.
Where is that?
No, we have
Document or statement?
The letter of the.
Was made, okay, para 3 recommendations. But work order was in, I think if the work order was in 2013, then at that time the scheme was on.
As long as the scheme
It
was
was
for the
there.
1,000 year with the union campaign, but after 2015, it was already delayed. Now the question is whether after 2015, what will happen? Till 2014, we will pay.
After
After 2015, it has already been delayed. That is the question.
the state government has been asked to fend for itself.
Yes, after 2014. But for 2014, since it was still in process, we will pay for till 2014. But starting from 2015 to 16, the state were directed to take their own step.
That is why we have been telling this honorable court that the central is trying to wash itself. They are not denying it's 100% centrally sponsored scheme. Now, how can they shift the burden, the liability to us?
Because it has
They
been
cannot
given
simply say like
control.
that without any.
And you said, I mean, it's similar matters are pending.
Yes, similar matter is pending. Now, if any relief is granted in this case, then
No, I mean, and any order of this court, whatever,
If my lordship, we have a similar case.
For guidance.
Yes,
Different body, it is also listed in court number, Mr. Debashis court, Justice Debashis court. Same matter, yes. Same matter, only different petition.
different petitions. It must be affecting, prima facie affecting various contractors, right?
Yes,
Because
yes.
one is the fund crisis because of the delinking, and the other aspect is this. If the fund crisis was not there, perhaps that could have been addressed by a fresh,
Otherwise,
technical
all
verification.
this matter can be listed together and taken up.
Lordship, the issue is same,
Same.
more or less.
Same.
Yes. So if it can also be decided, Lordship, that will definitely cover the other
Yes, it will
cases.
cover the rest of the case.
If it can be decided, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, at this stage, my respectful submission is, Lordship.
But what would be the rights in your favor in the context of the Annexer B of the affidavit in opposition?
Lordship.
That the technical, you fairly submitted.
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
That it is not as per according to the original plan.
I have already made my submission.
Then what happens? Shall they, I mean, is that an option that the authority, the government authority will make a fresh, fresh technical inspection?
Yes, Lordship.
And then whatever is found.
Yes, Lordship.
And to that extent, they may. They may decide
authorities may
whatever
release whatever I'm entitled, Lordship, on verification, Lordship.
That could be one option, but
Yes, Lordship.
but I understand the underlying deeper crisis is the fund crisis. The fund crisis.
Yes, Lordship.
And Lordship, may kindly
But at the
appreciate
same
one
time,
aspect.
if somebody has done a work,
Lordship,
also
may kindly appreciate
that should
one
not
aspect.
be
Exactly, Lordship.
He should
Exactly,
not be. He
Lordship.
cannot be deprived. Also, that is also.
And I have investment my resources, Lordship.
Exactly.
In fact, I'm claiming for interest, Lordship.
We can, if there was no dispute with regard to this, if there's too much of disputed facts, obviously the writ jurisdiction will start failing.
Yes, exactly.
But nevertheless, on the basis of this, if some willingness to pay was there, then the court can always direct to be, direct payment in installments also. But it seems there
There is
no.
violation of terms of and condition of the contract work also.
But this aspect may not be same in the other petitions. also.
Exactly, Lordship.
In some, there may be
some
there may be
variation in facts
there may
also,
be a
yes.
clear verification report also. In some maybe not so. This in the connected other writ petitions, this is
The
there.
same.
Same.
The stand is same, both the central as well as the state, Lordship.
It's not an easy situation actually to decide this matter. Actually. But
Lordship, my respectful submission
but
is.
at the same time, but the person has invested in the contract. Disposed of.
Dismiss.
Writ petition, that is, disposed of by the lordship.
Today,
Yes, we have been informed that it has been dismissed.
dismissed on what ground? That we have to see.
To let the petitioner approach the appropriate forum, that's what we have. But yes,
True that.
yes.
We'll have to see the circumstances on what.
Yes,
Yeah,
we
that
can-
we
yes.
have to see. That we have to see. Yeah, because if somebody has invested his, forget time, resources.
Exactly, Lordship.
Constructed, the principle of estoppel comes also.
Lordship. And now at this belated stage, they cannot just come and raise those technical issues, Lordship.
No.
In fact, it's more in a decade, Lordship.
It is the petitioner. No, Friday I have difficulty. Wednesday, today is Wednesday.
Friday is division bench again?
No, only on Wednesday.
Only on Wednesday.
Yes. But Friday I have difficulty.
You have difficulty. So it has to be tomorrow or on
Tomorrow
Monday?
or next week.
Monday, Lordship, Monday.
Yes.
We'll get the order tomorrow also. We can study that order. As I said, I was just asking you that any similar judgment or order for guidance on facts, on similar facts, not contractual bill. There are many cases.
Lordship.
Many cases on a peculiar situation.
Yes.
Lordship.
Peculiar the facts of this situation.
Same department, yes.
Because this technical verification, that aspect we may be able to negotiate. We can direct a fresh, verification, and whatever is found due, that can be done. But if
the funding part is,
but at the same time, from the government's point of view, the fund crisis. If the fund is not available, then it creates a crisis.
Yes.
So, even if we pass the order, the effectiveness of that, there will be a contempt petition. But from his point of view, of course, that will be very unfair. Suppose he has completed the work properly, and whatever it is, and he's also even willing to concede that if it has not been completed to whatever extent it has been completed, he may be paid for that.
That includes even big images, Lordship.
Yes, and if the state turns around and says that we cannot pay, that will also be, that violates principle of estoppel also.
Lordship.
And also that will be prima facie arbitrary. So that is where we are situated here. So anyway, let us definitely have a look at this order and see how similar it is to the facts or guidance. In that said, you said they have been directed to approach whom? Approach the authority, concerned authority.
Appropriate forum, that's what they are saying. Maybe the appropriate authority.
But we'll get the copy of the order by this evening, so it can be listed.
Lord Counsel, so and so, who addresses arguments at some length, the same order, both. Full stop. Learned senior government advocate appears for state respondents being respond number 1, 2, 3. You are appearing for the CGS, the
Ministry, respondent 5.
Respond number 5. Also hard. At this stage, learned counsels, both the sides submits that information has been received that information is it has come to be known that nothing else. Nothing else. Okay. That will create complications. List on 2.9 for further hearing. So that means it will remain part heard.
Yes, as part.
The matter may be kept as part heard. No, if I was not here next week, then I won't have made it part heard. But since I'll be here, so it can be.
Yes.
So we can conclude the hearing on Monday. Addresses arguments at length, at some length.
For hearing, item number 10.
Just to kindly keep this in the file. It's a smaller stapler. Need a smaller stapler. It's too big. Just. Here's the cost list. Must have been inside. Must be inside. Just a minute. Anyway. Item.
Then, my blessed Lordship, I have sent for waiting, so if someone be granted to file my
Just a minute.
rejoinder affidavit, Lordship.
Just a minute. Item 10. Yeah, please repeat your submission.
Lordship, I have sent for waiting,
Vetting.
Lordship.
Okay.
So
Vetting
somebody-
of the affidavit.
affidavit, Lordship.
Okay, so the pleadings are not complete. Yeah.
Lordship, pleadings are complete and I have to file rejoinder, so I have sent for waiting. So sometime will be granted to file, Lordship.
Not ready for full hearing.
Your Lordship, I'm yet to file my reply affidavit, Your Lordship,
To
against
their.
against the rejoinder affidavit of respondent number 5.
Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent 5. Lordship, I've received some document which I wanted to place before this honorable court. So kindly allow me to file one additional affidavit within a short period of time, Lordship.
So as I understand, though it has come for hearing, the pleadings are still not complete.
Yes.
It seems. So. The matter pertains to land settlement. That's all.
No, Your Honor.
Still. You want to file a reply to their rejoinder?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner, seek some time to file a reply to the rejoinder affidavit filed on behalf of respondent number 5. You are appearing for the state respondents,
Lordship.
government advocate,
Lordship.
government advocate, appearing for the state respondents, being respond number
1, 2, 3, and 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Also seek some time to file an affidavit in opposition.
Rejoinder, Lordship.
To file a rejoinder affidavit, which is at the stage of vetting,
Lordship.
which is in the process of vetting. Learned counsel, appearing for respond number 5.
5, Lordship.
Submits that he would like to file an additional affidavit to bring on record certain documents, some certain documents. The prayers for filing this additional pleadings is allowed. Full stop. So let it come for, should the matter come for orders on the next day?
Lordship.
Because after
Yes,
that,
Your Lordship.
what do you say?
Lordship, again, 3 weeks time will be granted. for
Yeah,
this.
no problem. That's not a problem because it is not ready for hearing. So after all these are complete,
Yes, Your
then we can direct it to come for
Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship.
hearing, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So list after 3 weeks in the orders column.
I oblige, Lordship.
Okay, Your Lordship.
For hearing, item number 11.
My lords,
Okay. Appearing through VC.
I appear.
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
petitioner in item 11 and 12.
11 and 12?
Yes, my lords.
They are
Till
connected.
date, they are connected, madam.
Gotcha. It's not indicated in the cause list as connected. Appear to be. Same petitioner, it seems.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. Who's appearing for the revenue? Somebody is there.
Your Lordship, respondent number 1 is on leave. That is CGSC. And respondent number 2, 3, and 4, we have already issued notice as well as we have published it through newspaper, but
They have not.
they have not appeared.
None have appeared before this court till date.
Okay. 2 and 3 are kind of state respondents, tax
Lordship.
tax
Yes,
officials.
yes, Lordship.
Why they have not appeared? 4 is a private respondent.
Yes, Lordship.
You want to submit? Go ahead.
My lords, my humble request is the arguing counsel in this matter comes from outstation. Since none have appeared from the other side, the matter may be kept for an ex parte hearing on any given date. The arguing counsel will be pleased to argue on that day. It's a small humble request.
No issues. I mean,
Since none have appeared, I request for if the matter can be kept for ex parte hearing itself, and we haven't received any counter affidavit till date as well.
no counter affidavit has been filed. Notice has been completed, right?
Yes, Lordship.
Notice
Yes,
has
my
been-
lords.
We should not take up the hearing today. Post it for another date. No?
Yes, my lords, and ex parte hearing is what I'm requesting for. Because on that day, if again we go on hearing and none appears, then again it might. With respect to the respondent 2, 3, and 4.
Let me just peruse the order sheets a bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Four is newspaper publication, right?
Yes, Lord.
No such address. Steps. But I'm surprised 2 and 3 have not appeared. Why? They are tax department.
State Department.
State government. The government advocate can be of any help?
Your Lordship, no one is present here, Your Lordship.
We could have talked to the government advocate for some assistance. Can you call some? I can just ask at least. I will not take up the hearing today. It's okay, no problem. But the item delivered. Learned Counsel, your good name, please. Sir. You are appearing from Gauhati?
I am appearing from Delhi.
Delhi. Your good name, please.
Rishabh Jain.
Rishabh Jain, Learned Counsel, appears from Delhi through video conferencing, assisted by Learned Local Counsel. Good name.
Mr. Kachish, Lordship.
Just, ma'am, I just take your help in a small matter. it is submitted by the petitioner side that out of the 4 impleaded respondents, only respondent number 1 / Union of India has entered appearance through learned standing counsel, who however is on leave today.
Yes,
Right?
Lordship.
Respondent number 4 is a private respondent, and upon perusing the case record, I find that substituted service was resorted to with regard to the respondent number 4 as per office note dated 27/1/2025. Further, as per office note dated 28/8/2024, postal receipt with regard to postal receipt consignment report in respect of respondent number 1, respondent number 2 and 3, along with respondent number 1, were shown as item delivered on 31/7/2024. On 27/7/2024 and 26/7/2024, respectively, with regard to respondent number 2 and 3. Full stop. However, apart from respondent number 1, the other 3 respondents have not appeared. Why I sought your help, madam, is that in this case, the private respondent has not appeared. That's up to him. Union of India has entered through CGSE, but 2 and 3 are our tax department here.
Yes, Your Lordship, but they might be having their own counsel, Your Lordship. That's why the state has not appeared. Usually, what happens is that when it's against the state, Your Lordship.
Yeah, so I know.
Yes,
I mean,
Your
there,
Lordship.
in Gauhati also I've seen this, the revenue has its own council. So in that case, even postal notice may not be necessary. They
So
can
they
just
have-
take by hand.
They need to do dusty, maybe personally have to deliver to me.
You have not delivered to the, you might have delivered to the standing council. Can you just find out about this? Is there any standing council for Deputy Commissioner of State Taxes, Nagaland, Dimapur, Assistant Commissioner of State Taxes? Definitely they should have. I think they would be having some representation, you know, because it's a GST matter. Ideally they may have something to say. So
Yes, Your Lordship.
but we are, notice as for procedure, this has been complete, no doubt. But the court might be a little handicapped in their absence. The learned counsel is within his rights to pray for ex parte hearing on the next day. That's okay. But
Your Lordship, they can serve it through by hand also, Your Lordship, because maybe they will engage some lawyer. I mean, like to appear, Your Lordship. Maybe they are unaware of that also.
The learned counsel for the petitioner side, full stop. Despite the aforesaid developments, full stop. This court would be assisted in adjudication by the presence of a learned counsel representing the state taxes department. In this regard, the petitioner side shall inquire and find out regarding any standing counsel for the department, and if so, serve copies of the petition upon such counsel. The same may be informed to the court on the next date. I don't want to burden you with any direction because I am seeking your help informally. But can you help in any way?
Yeah, maybe I can make some. Maybe I can inquire, Your Lordship.
So you just take madam's help informally. Because he's not on record, so I cannot say
Okay,
any
Lordship.
direction. So if they are there,
Okay, Lordship.
then so otherwise we'll proceed.
Yes.
We'll proceed.
So on the
I'll
Maybe
record your
tomorrow,
submission.
tomorrow, Your Lordship.
The petition, the petitioner council submits that as none has appeared on behalf of respondent number 2, 3, and 4. The ex parte hearing may be taken on the next date with regard to these respondents. Yeah, I have to record a submission. Keep it above. Then below that, last submission, last dictation.
So the matter will come tomorrow, no, Your Lordship? Or-
Matter tomorrow? No, let's give 2-3 days.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Let it come on. You can suggest a date since you're appearing from Delhi.
any date would work, my lords. Whenever the court is convenient to take up the matter. Monday or Tuesday, if that's comfortable with the court.
Today is Wednesday, right?
Yes, my lord.
Should find out about things. Tuesday.
Tuesday.
2-9.
Hmm.
2-9. 2-9.
Obliged.
Then we'll see what can be done.
Interim in the
Huh?
my lords, in the meantime, interim order.
You are challenging a GST notice,
Yes, demand notices.
demand notices.
Yes. Demand order has been passed, my lords, for
Yes,
3 years financial years.
Yeah, just pointed out that there is an interim order in place. By the order dated must be interim order is dated. You must be knowing.
My lords, I'll just check once.
Not sure. That's okay, no problem. Because the last sheet I find also here, it's written interim order is extended. Interim order, right order dated so and so. Shall stand extended till the next date of listing. So demand notice and definitely revenue side assistance is necessary, right?
Yes. Yes.
But if none appears, ultimately then can't help it.
Maybe we can make a telephonic exchange. I mean, I can make a telephone call, whether they have received the petition or not, whether they are aware or not.
Since it's a state government, thank you very much
Very much.
for your help.
Much obliged.
Obliged, my lords.
Demand notice shall remain suspended. 23/9/24. Right, 23/9/24. You can also write down in your file 23/9/24. Okay. You can log out, Mr. J.
Obliged.
12 is also same.
Lordship, same order, Lordship.
Same matter.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, my lords.
Same matter. And interim order is also of the same date.
Yes, Lordship.
Same date that we need to check, right? Let us have. I think. Let me check. Always helps, to mention.
Yes, my lords. 23/9/2024.
Same, no?
Yes, my lords.
Lordship.
23/9/2024. Okay. Both of them will come on 2/9. Both the matters will come on 2/9.
Yes. That day, if the revenue is not present, my lord, we'll proceed with the.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll try to proceed. Let's see.
Obliged.
It'll be of assistance to both the sides actually. If
Yes, my lords. That I totally.
they enter appearance now, then obviously they will seek some time.
They will seek time to file.
The matter will get a little delayed, but that's okay. That's okay. If they appear, it's good. It will help the court. And CGSC will be appearing.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.